Hey everybody, what's going on? It is James here with Crypto Common Sense. Want to shoot a really quick, maybe like a 3-minute video for you. I was doing some charting and I noticed this and I thought, wow, this is such a perfect example of how all markets act the same way. So a lot of people get it in their head that cryptocurrency is some different animal and that it doesn't follow normal market cycles and it doesn't follow normal trading rules and it doesn't follow normal technical analysis. I'm about to blow your mind, I think. So what you're looking at on the screen right here is obviously paint, but I've actually copied and pasted a silver chart in here. And what I've done is I've adjusted it for inflation because it's such a long chart going back to the 60s. So you have to do that to get kind of a realistic look at pricing. So we had this massive bubble in silver. There's actually a big story behind this, why this happened. But anyway, there was a massive bubble. It popped. It came back down. And then there was an echo bubble that actually popped again. Now this took 50 years to play out in silver, and crypto things move much faster, thank goodness. But what I'm wondering, if look at this, they had a descending triangle. See that? It's kind of smushed up because the chart's so many years, but that is indeed a descending triangle. And I'm wondering if Bitcoin is right here. Now you might look at that and say, okay, well, so what? It sort of kind of looks like Bitcoin. No, guys, it doesn't sort of kind of look like Bitcoin. It looks just like Bitcoin. Watch this. Unfortunately, I can't zoom like 150% with paint. Let me see if I can pull this up maybe a little better on... Here we go. So this is a Facebook post. Watch this. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Basically an Elliott wave, right? Fifth wave, fifth wave. Then it had the down and the up, down, up, right? This is the part where people are like, oh, we just need to cool off and go to the next high, right? Down, up, okay? Down, up, right? Down, up, getting down, up, right? Moves the same. Now, they're not going to be exact, but basically the same, right? The exact same market cycle, and bottoms out. It actually spent, 10, 15 years just completely bottomed out. Thank goodness in crypto, it was only about a year that we were bottomed out. Not even a year, actually. About, 2-3 months, if that, a couple of months. And then it went up, and look at this. Up, down, right? Up with a big old spike, up with a big old spike, and then a descending triangle. Now, if anybody can look at that and chart and say, James, those are totally separate charts, so you can't compare the two, I would be very surprised, right? They're completely different charts, yes. They're completely different markets, yes. But those charts, I mean, if you didn't know this was Bitcoin and you didn't know this was silver, if I had just posted this chart without telling you it was silver and with no pricing or dates, I probably could have convinced you that this was the chart for Bitcoin. Just like if I posted this without any dates or anything and you knew about silver, I probably could have convinced you this was a silver chart, right? That is how similar those are. And they're playing out exactly like the market cycle meme that's been going around for 2 or 3 years, right? Ever since the bubble popped in crypto. So, again, I don't want to make this a super long video. I just wanted to show you this because, number one, I found it extremely interesting. Number two, I thought it did an amazing job of demonstrating how markets are actually based on human emotion. It's not the intrinsic value. It's not the true value, right, of what silver is worth or what Bitcoin is worth. It's what people think it's worth. But yeah, the charts, they all look the same in any market, right? They all look very, very similar. They all follow the same emotional patterns. So keep that in mind anytime somebody is telling you, crypto is different, Bitcoin's different. It's not different, all right? It's never going to be different. It is a market, and like all markets dating back thousands of years, they run on fear and greed. All right, with all that being said, please remember I'm literally some guy sitting in a spare bedroom. I'm not a professional financial advisor. Nothing in this video is financial advice. Nothing in this video is trade advice. You should always do your own due diligence and seek out professional investment advice before making any type of investment. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And if you haven't already, you can check the description for links where you can follow me on Twitter, TradingView, and also where you can join my free Facebook group. This is James with Crypto Common Sense. Trade safe.